Now we know that matches are made in heaven. Actually, we don't know, but at least that is what we were made to believe. Patch-ups, on the other hand, are entirely man-made. If you don't want to do it, it won't happen. On Diwali night, though, there were a lot of people from Bollywood who wanted to do it. I mean, patch-up.
What do you get the stars who have it all? Well, over this festive season, it seems that goodwill was certainly in vogue. After Shah Rukh Khan seemed to be in the mood to forgive and forget for what seems like the 7th time.
कभी मौका मिलेगा और कोई ऐसी फिल्म बनाएगा कहीं ना कभी अगर हो सकेगा जैसा मैं बार-बार कहता हूँ आई थिंक जैसे सलमान भी बार-बार कहते हैं हमें कोई ऐसी पर्सनल एंग्स नहीं है हमारी थोड़ी जिंदगी के रास्ते अलग-अलग हैं और किसी मोड़ पे अगर कहीं मुलाकात होती है काम के जरिए या किसी और जरिए से सो हम में कोई ऐसा वो आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा हर जैसे ईगो है या इशू है या हाँ कोई ऐसी रंजिश है कि यार ऐसा नहीं करेंगे आई डोंट थिंक हम बहुत सालों से काम कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे के काम की इज्जत करते हैं और एक दूसरे की फैमिली से प्यार करते हैं और बहुत इज्जत है तो आई डोंट थिंक वी थिंक लाइक दैट बट कभी बैठ के ऐसा डिसाइड नहीं करते कि ये अब होगा तो अच्छा अगर हुआ नहीं हुआ तो भी अच्छा और हुआ तो उससे भी अच्छा
Gauri Khan decided to take the olive branch and run with it. Right to Salman Khan's Diwali bash, where Gauri apparently seemed quite at home, bonding with the other ladies at the do. But while testosterone can often make patching up between the men difficult, it's a lot more awkward when the X factor is involved. But Akshay Kumar and Shilpa Shetty, it seems, decided that the best way to deal with it was head-on. Reportedly over Diwali, former flame Shilpa Shetty and Akshay Kumar found themselves at the same Diwali party with their spouses in tow. Shilpa reportedly took the high road, even stopping to exchange pleasantries with Twinkle. Following the ladies' lead, Akshay and Raj also reportedly chatted, with Raj even offering to share a copy of his new book with Akshay. And while the parties over Diwali may have brokered peace, they also helped to foster new friendships. And an interesting new one that seems to have developed these days is with Raveena Tandon and director Anurag Kashyap. Reportedly, the two often go out to lunch and dinner together. In case you're wondering where this friendship developed though, it wasn't at a Diwali party but on the sets of Bombay Velvet, where Raveena will reportedly be playing a jazz singer. Yes, between new friends, festivities and forgiveness, this Diwali certainly lit up our stars' lives. NDTV Bureau Report.